Hi everyone. I thought I'd start this moment with Erythronium albidum. It's the white trout lily, and how these happen to become stronger and stronger in this area. And simply, it's an oak woods. I drive by here on my way to a home we work on, and it was thick with bush honeysuckle, Lonicera mackii. I think it's very, very opportunistic. And when the woods was disturbed, the Lonicera came in and just shaded the ground out completely. So the light reaching the soil was tremendously reduced. So the ground layer, spring ephemerals, really had no chance to do well. And as it's been removed, you can see there's Trillium recurvatum and Erythronium. The trout lilies are making a very good comeback. So is the Trillium recurvatum here, prairie trillium. And I'm going to walk a little farther up and you'll see the older area that they've cleaned out a few years ago. The Carex pennsylvanica is creating a nice carpet and living so beautifully in amongst the leaves that have fallen from year to year. It's becoming quite a healthy area. And I'm sure they've got plans to continue. They've done such a nice job so far. All right, take care everyone. I thought this would be a nice walk together. I'll see you soon. Bye.